Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and we recently got these Utopia velvet hangers, and let me tell you what I like about them right away is how elegant they look. As I'm getting older, I just need things to match, and now all of my hangers match and look nice, and the little OCD in me finally feels relief. These hangers are more than just nice looks. They're also very well made and very convenient to use. I like that the velvet material is soft and very useful because it holds any clothing very well. That way nothing slips out of the hanger. These hangers are so useful for any type of clothing. It can hold my dress shirts, my pants, my suits, really any clothing. This will do the trick. And that is my point of view.